So hello guys, how are you today? So this is Cypher here at Cyybot. Today I'm going to be introducing to you some new features here about Cyybot 6. So we have introduced the pause and resume automation feature. For example, if you're streaming a lot of accounts and you don't want to return back your progress, this was not possible with the last update. Now it's possible. You don't have to, if you have over 1,000 accounts and you are maybe shifting over 12 accounts per maybe 10 minutes and you want to shift over 1,000, and maybe you see there's any problem that you want to debug, you can simply click on the pause automation button and you check over and you fix your problems, and then you resume automation without restarting over the whole process once again. Secondly, I want to talk about the songs tab. When you are just starting the automation, you need songs, you understand? So this is where you put your songs. You can put your links here or you can put your songs. This is where the bot is going to get the links or the songs. So if you have a lot of songs, for example, these are duplicates, what you do, you can simply click on the remove duplicate button. It has removed 1,544 duplicates. So I've remained with 193 songs. So you can sort them from A to Z by just simply clicking this button here, as you can see. So this is the save button. When you click save, it saves the songs for automation. Ensure to click save when you're going to do automation. So where do you add proxies? You click on this guy here, as you see here. This is where you add your proxies. You can add here 1,000,000 proxies. You understand, this is a notepad. You can add a lot of proxies depending on the accounts that you have. It's very advisable for each account to have a different proxy. And ensure you use premium accounts, because if you don't use premium accounts, you are actually triggering a ban on your songs, because you have to have at least some premium plays for you to get money out of any streaming platform that you're streaming. So this is where you add your proxies, and this is where you add your accounts. Used accounts are going to be moved to the used accounts tab, and used proxies are going to be moved to the used proxies tab. all right. So now, if after adding all those, what you're going to do, you're going to come here and clone profiles. You understand? What you do, you create one profile. If it's a new computer, create one profile. Set whatever you need to set in that one profile. After doing that, you can clone up to unlimited number, as you can see here. After cloning, you can decide before actually cloning, you can decide to open profiles after creation or not by this button here, as you can see. For example, I want to clone this one here. What I'll do, let me just clone like one here. If I click on clone, it's going to clone it. So it's copying profile data from this to this user data profile number 64. You understand? I have a lot of profiles on this small machine. You understand? If you want to open it after cloning, it clones all details of that browser. So let's clone again. It's cloning the default Brave profile. So the other one was number 64. Now this is number 65. So it's copying data. If your computer is fast enough, it doesn't delay. So it has opened what it has cloned. It clones with everything, cookies whatsoever. You understand? So that is it. So let's talk about human interaction. The software has been improved with human interaction. I think I talked about this in the last videos. The click speed, typing speed. Either you want it to make errors while typing and correcting, like a human being. Maybe it's typing Google, for example. If a human being can make mistake, for example, Google, and be like, oh, okay, I've made a mistake, and type back Google. That is what it does exactly. It makes mistakes and corrects them to give realism to the platform for them not to detect that this is a bot actually interacting with their platform. You understand? So those are the basic things that I'm going to talk about today. We have the mouse movement. The bot actually moves the mouse of the computer. This makes it totally undetectable because most of the bots out there, they go and interact the profiles with they interact the website with the elements. This is totally wrong. This kind of automation is now outdated. So if you are using any bot that is actually interacting with elements, then you are doomed. Anytime, any day, your music is going to be taken down. So the good thing with our bot, it interacts with the what? With the user interface itself, you understand? And it can handle up to 1 million whatever profiles, depending on your processing power. So it's very important to have a very good computer and very strong internet when you're using Cyybot. Alright, so you can add a lot of platforms. You can add a lot of platforms here. For example, let me do this. I added it, so let me show you here. You can simply add, for example, if I want to add boom play, as you can see here, I can pick the color, or even pick an emoji here. So as you can see, it's here, boom play. So now the Cyybot is going to be redirecting to this website. When you click start, you understand, it's going to redirect that site, and this is where you map your coordinates. You see, for every site that you are going to automate, this is where you're going to map your coordinates. For example, that was boom play. You have to actually, what you do, you come here on accounts. For example, you open for this is the default. Okay, let me disable the proxies for faster speed. Let me go to boom play. Oh, did I write that well? Oh, I don't have internet. Okay, let me activate my internet here. And by the way, the Cyybot won't activate if you don't have internet. So ensure you have internet. It's very important. You need internet to use the Cyybot. So let's go to boom play. So this is what it's going to do. It's going to come here to boomplay.com, find the song. For example, this is the search bar. This is a profile. For example, let's find the song. Why worry? So this is the song. This is the result of the song. Okay, so this is the search bar, this is the result of the song, and this is the play button. So we are going to map that. Okay, all right, so what we are going to do, we are going to come to the bot, coordinates. So these are the coordinates. So what are we going to do? We are going to click on the start. You understand? Remember, we selected boom play. You're going to start recording the coordinates. So what you're going to do, when you point your mouse where the search bar is, you click space, you tell it now this is the search bar, and it will save automatically. After the search bar, you tell it now this is the song result. You'll be like, okay. And after the song result, you tell it now this, go back to the bot, you tell it now this is the play button. You tell it, okay, now fine, So we want this to be saved, so you're going to click stop automation, stop recording. So what you're going to do, we're going to open, so let me open just one for now, or let me open two. Okay, let me open like 5. I'm going to tell it to open 2 per maybe 4 minutes or whatsoever. So for now, I've selected 5 instances, but the shift instances, like shift workers, it's going to shift only 2. It's going to open 2 profiles after every 4 minutes. You understand? So that is it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on start. Let me close this. I think that is it. So I'm going to click start automation, and then it's going to go to boom play. You understand? Alright, so it's going to go to boom play, finds the song. So the delay is it's you who actually puts the delay in order to allow the page to fully load and not provide any errors. As you can see, it has gone and find the song. Then it's going to open another browser. Again, goes to boom play. Searches for the song, finds the song, and then it clicks on the play button. That's the magic with the Cyybot. It's interacting with the website itself. This is actually what most bots out there don't do. That's why you see they easily detect your songs, they easily delete your songs. So watch out when you're doing streaming.